Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I want to show you something that I bought very recently on Amazon. So yeah, you can already see it as well as in the thumbnail. I have bought these mat. I have bought a second one, but that video for that will come on a later day. So yeah, because I don't have the recording space for it right now and not the time. So yeah, anyway, let's begin. Let us start with the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT haircut. Focus please. Okay, I hope it's a bit better now, but I guess we'll find out. Anyways, let's get started. We have here, as I said, the Dodge Challenger SRT haircut, and here from Hot Wheels. Where do we park it? Over here. Okay. And of course, that's not the only Challenger that I have. I have the same model from Margaret. Hello there. And this one even has opening doors. You know what? We're gonna display it with the open doors next to the other one. Okay, so I had to restart the video because I've seen that the lighting was focused on one single spot and not on everything, so apologies for that. I hope I can fix that in the editing. Okay. Next up, we have our first premium Hot Wheels premium car for today. It's the Hero Hauler, and of course with the Nissan 300 CX GTS. And I think we're gonna display it over here. We're gonna put the car. Where do we gonna put it? We're putting it here. So yeah. Okay. Next up, we have a beautiful Subaru WRX STI. And we're gonna put it over here. Then we have some Germans. We have the Porsche 993 GT2 and the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. Okay. You know what? Let's put some exotics in here as well with the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37. And let's do a Ford Mustang with the opening hood. Okay, let's do some race cars since the GTS is still alone. Let's go with a McLaren F1 GTR. And then we have a beautiful Porsche 935. Okay. And then we have a beautiful Sesto Elemento. Really nice. Okay. Next up, we have something very big. Here we have a Porsche Transport from Marshall with the Porsche Taycan Turbo S and the 918 Spider. We're gonna roll just in the picture. Perfect. Okay. Then we have over here the Ford Mustang. Sorry. Here we have the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. Really nice. Okay. And then we have the Ford Shelby GT500. Really beautiful car. Okay. Next up, we have the Lamborghini Veneno. And then we have from the diorama set the Fleet Street and the Pandem BRC. You know what? We're gonna display it like this. Let us imagine that this Fleet Street just delivered this car and is about to unload it. Perfect. Looks really good. Okay. Next up, we have a Mercury Cougar Eliminator. And then we have the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, the G63. And this one has an opening hood as well. We're gonna display it like this with the opened hood. Really nice. Then we have another Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So this way could be better a bit. Oh yeah. Okay, and then we have just 4 cars left. At first, we have a beautiful Chevrolet Corvette C4. And then we have some classics, 2 classics. At first, the McLaren F1 in this beautiful orange. And then we have another McLaren F1 in this really nice gray silver version. And last but definitely not least, we have the Mercedes AMG GTR. Yes, Mercedes AMG GTR. I was just wondering if I said it correctly or not, but I was correct as it seems. Really, really nice. And this one has opening doors as well. And we're gonna display it like that. Okay. Really nice. Okay. And with this we have already all the cars that I have chosen for this mat displayed. How do you like it? I personally like it very much because I was looking for something with which I was able to display these cars like this. Maybe I'm gonna do stylized car meets in the future, for example, only JDM or Japanese cars or European car meet. If you have ideas or any wishes, let me know down below, and of course comment your thoughts on this. Okay, and then I'm very pleased to say thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button because it helps me out a lot. And then we see each other in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful time